Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to adjust the screen size on your Windows XP computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the Start menu and select the Control Panel on the right side here. Underneath Pick a Category, you want to select the Appearances and Themes option, and then underneath or pick a Control Panel icon, select Display. You want to select the Settings tab, and then you want to go ahead and select underneath Screen Resolution. Select whichever monitor. If you have multiple monitors connected, just select the one you want to modify here. And you can adjust the screen resolution by making it bigger or smaller by dragging it. So pretty straightforward process on that one, guys. And once you're done, select Apply, and OK. And as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.